this, you don't know if it's my hair or not. See me in the streets, remember you don't know me. But anyway. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Kayla's Corner. It's been so long since I've said that. Like, anyway, welcome back to Kayla's Corner. In today's video, I'm going to be installing and reviewing this iPart wig that was sent to me by ilikehairwig.com. This is my first iPart wig, and let me tell you, honey, we might have to get used to it, okay? We just might have to. No lace, no glue, no leave out, none of that. So if you guys are interested in the process of installing an iPart wig or what my thoughts are on this hair, you guys know that all you have to do is just stay tuned. Alright you guys, so this is what the packaging looks like. A bright, pretty orange box. Inside the box is this little card that just says hello, and on the back there's just some information about how you can enter to win some money off. This is what the hair came packaged in. It's in a net inside of this little paper. They include a comb, an edge brush, a wig cap, and some clips. So the wig has 5 clips, 3 combs, an adjustable band, and this little strap that makes the wig a little bit more secure. The iPart is composed of this little like crochet, almost fold over detail so that it conceals the track and makes it look like it's natural. And this is what the curl pattern looks like. Very beautiful wig. We are looking a little crusty, dusty, but it's okay. So I don't know if I want a middle part or a side part, so we have both. This is the wig. I wetted and like try to define the curls. So I'm just wetting it so that the curls clump together a little bit more. And I put a little leave-in conditioner in there. So that's that. So this might be the easiest install ever because there's no leave out, no lace, no glue, no spray, none of that. Honestly, you don't even need this wig cap because it's probably not going to even stay on your head. But this is me attempting to do the side part, just putting the combs in there and pressing them down. Then I'm going to do the other side. I will say that these combs do pull, and I'm not sure if it's just the way that I have it on, but they kind of hurt. Or the clips, not the combs, they're clips. So they do kind of hurt a little bit, so you just gotta know how to work it. I will say my second and third time putting on the wig, they hurt a little bit less just because of the way I put the wig on. But yeah, this is the side part option. So this is a side part option, unfinished. We like her like this, okay? Let me see what the middle part will look like. And that will be the middle part option. Of course, you would tease the part. Fold it in. I don't know which one I like better. I'm trying to see. I think I'm gonna do side part. But I need to fix the side part, so I'll be back. Bada bing, bada boom.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you took it down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that...
Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and define these curls a little bit more, and I will be back once it is dry. Okay? Okay.
There ain't no other than me, only you.
Alright, you guys, so that's gonna conclude the final look. I'm just gonna get into a little bit about the hair. It's not completely dry, and I just didn't feel like waiting on it to dry. If it looks any different than what it looks wet, I might like insert a clip or come back just to show you all how it looks dry. This is the hair. I told you I would come back. This is the hair after it's dry. Who said so? I thought a frontal wear said something. I thought somebody with a closure said something. Cause look, stop playing. It is so full in love. Period. That's it. That's it. That's the end. But yes, we love it so far. So just gonna get into a little bit about the hair. This hair and video is sponsored by iLikeHairWig.com. Is their I-part curly wig in 18 inches. Love, love, love. Love, love the curl on the hair. As you all saw, no leave out, no lace, no glue. None of that. I'm still working on the part and trying to get it to how I like it, but overall I do think that it looks cute. As y'all see, obviously I went for the side part. You can do a middle part, whatever type of part you want to do on this hair. I do want to do like a styling video because I think that would be pretty cool to show how you can style this wig. I didn't do my edges on this side, but you can see that it looks very natural, very, 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 I'm extra, very natural. But yeah, really love the way this hair turned out. The curls so far are really cute. It just gives natural, like, come on, like, you ain't got to do too much. I will say that the clips are a little bit of a struggle though, because they hurt a little bit. I just really couldn't figure it out. I was trying to get it as close to my part as possible so that you couldn't see my hair. But I obviously figured it out. But yeah, that was a little bit tricky. But do like the hair. It's really soft, really good quality hair. It's thick. I feel like it's a perfect natural color. So yeah, I really don't have like any complaints with this wig. I think the cap fits my head perfectly, and I'm really excited for this to be like my first I-part wig. I'm really excited for like how natural it looks and the things that you can do with this wig if you don't want to do too much. If you're somebody that doesn't know how to, maybe you don't know how to lay a frontal or a closure, this is a good wig to go for. And I think this wig is good, especially if you're wanting to do like a protective style, but you want it to be natural. Because, you know, some wigs, they can look natural, but you know that it's not natural. You get what I'm saying? Like, with this, you don't know if it's my hair or not. You see me on the streets, baby, you don't know. And if you see me in the streets, remember, you don't know me. But anyway, if you see me on the streets, you don't know this, if this is my real hair or not. Because it just looks that dang good. Like, look at the curl pattern, look at the curl pattern, look at the curl pattern. Anyway, I feel like I've rambled enough about this hair, this wig. But as always, I want to thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see and talk to y'all in my next one. Bye.